this is the result of my wash and go. I have a little frizz right here, but I feel like I'll probably tame my baby hairs and like do my edges a little bit. But I am so happy with these products together. I am a big fan now of Jane Carter's solution. I think I may have found 2 new holy grails that they're definitely going to be a part of my routine now. And I think the biggest difference was just the creaminess. Like when I touched it, you know, you touch a hair product, you're like, ooh, that's nice. Like it was really thick, it was really creamy. It felt good on my hair. Sometimes when things are too watery, then I'm like, ugh, or sometimes when they're too buttery and too thick, but it was like a really nice medium between buttery and thick for both the leave-in conditioner and for the curl cream. I can honestly say that this curl defining cream is probably going to be in heavy rotation, especially. And it's just really good. Like it really feels like cream on your hair, and I can definitely see a difference in terms of frizz. And I think it also made a big difference that I took the time and sectioned my hair out, sat on soaking wet hair, whatnot. But I can see a difference, and I actually used the curl cream on a refresh, and everyone kept on saying, wow, your hair looks amazing, your hair looks amazing. And I'm like, okay. When other people start to notice, and usually you know the product's good. But in terms of like how much this was, I got both of them at TJ Maxx. They're on sale. It says it's normally $11, but I got it for $8 for the curl cream, and then for the hydrating smoother, that was $5.99, compare at $9. So go to TJ Maxx and see if you can find some curly stuff, because I was surprised at how much stuff they had. Like I was able to find a few things that I had been having my eye on. So yeah, so I would say like my hair is super bouncy. The curls are shiny and well defined. Like honestly, this is probably the best wash and go I've had in months. I feel like the winter has been very hard on my hair. I've been lazy as well with the holiday season. So this feels really, really good, and I'm really excited about using these products in the future. Try to see if you can get them at TJ Maxx or online or on sale, because I know they're a little bit more on the expensive side. So if you guys have tried these products, let me know what you think of them. Do they work for your hair type? Or my hair type is 3B, 3C around the nape of my neck. So it does work for my hair, and I really hope it works for yours. But you know, I would say that yes, this is a new holy grail. Possibly the leave-in conditioner, that felt really nice too, but together the products work really nicely, and I'm so excited to be adding these into my arsenal. So if you guys want to see any more product reviews, let me know. I plan on doing one a week at least here or on my IG stories. So head over there and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's Stay Golden Mama is my handle. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.